Hey friend, this is Kat. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to meet with my friend Taylor at the Queensbreak restaurant in Marriott Hotel Waikiki. Wow, Southside is my favorite. What about you? Have you ever been here before?
We get it roped up. I just want to also let them know when you guys do these, it will come up about starting soon. Yeah, they should be coming up right now, and then you'll literally be ready to just roped off here. And then of course you guys, my official kick on afterwards to get the lift started. They'll light up, so it's good. Have fun, enjoy.
Thank you.
So there's no rush, so guys, don't worry about the food and all that kind of stuff. You guys just have a great time.
So we just met the chef and he is showing us around. There are many activities such as cornhole. Have you ever played before?
But let's go to the end. I want to make sure we have daylight. What's your name, Chef?
My name's Nuno, Chef Nuno Alves.
Noodle? Oh, Nuno. That's a great name.
Good Portuguese name.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
I'm
meet you.
Kat.
Welcome. Yeah, nice to meet you. Welcome. Please enjoy.
The hotel is actually connected to the restaurant, so we get to see all the shows of the hotel.
Should we get closer to the end?
We
Yeah.
definitely get here at a good time. Our dinner reservation is around 5:30 and right now it's around 6, so we got enough time to take photos.
Imagine you pour that out. It didn't work. Oh my god. What did you say? You're on camera. I guess she will get closer. Aloha.
One side of the hotel is actually facing Waikiki Beach. It is very beautiful. Let me show you. So live music is on around 5:30 or 6, dinner time for sure. If you like live music, you should definitely visit Queensbreak restaurant around dinner time. Alright, our food is ready. Cheers! My starter have arrived. Local papaya salad. I love the flower on top. It's very beautiful. Yummy. We'll also try the Drunken Cranes pizza and Wagyu burger. It is really good, but I'm gonna show you guys on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so full now and I'm going to walk on the Waikiki beach. Check out my next video and I will see you next time. Bye!